Roof framing geometry is based on the descriptive geometry of folding roof planes. The plan view plane is a horizontal plane, and the elevation view plane is a vertical plane. The intersection of the two planes occurs at the X and Y axes. The eave line, also called the gutter line in plan view, is the axis of rotation. In roof framing geometry, we reference the common rafter as the profile rafter. The profile rafter is a theoretical line that has no width or depth. All roof planes have profile rafter slope angles. The profile rafter is always perpendicular to the eave line. Hip rafters that are plumb to the earth will have a vertical plane. Canted rafters have a plane that is neither vertical nor horizontal, and their axis of rotation does not lie at the eave line. Deck angle equals eaves angle equals eave angle. Eaves are the lower edges of a roof, often overhanging the walls of the building. Eaves is the plural form of eave, which is rarely used except as an adjective before a noun. The word eaves is derived from the Old English word effies, which means the edge of a roof. The top edge of the rafters meets at the eaves to form a level line. This line can be called the gutter track or gutter ney. However, I've called it the eave line, even though there's no such word, for so long that it's hard for me to refer to this gutter line by any other name. To develop the geometry for compound joints in 3D space, you lay down the planes of the compound joint in 2D space. You will also fold down planes, such as the roof surface plane, to develop compound joints on the roof surface. Now set your phone down and draw the folding roof surface with an 8-inch rise and a 12-inch run on a piece of plywood.